Hi Capricorn, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. And this is your monthly forecast for July 2012. We start this month with Mars that is going to be activating your 10th house. Your 10th house is about your career, your reputation, how it is that you view yourself, and how is it that others view you. Saturn has been there, that is your ruling planet, in your 10th house for the last 2 odd years or so. And this could have made you more serious, it could have made you maybe a bit of a workaholic, and it could have also made you a bit a tendency to sort of not just obsess about the details, but it could have made you look at things, especially at your workplace, below the surface. With Mars coming in, it is going to be activating your 10th house, and it is going to not just be liberating you from Saturn's effect, but it is also asking you somewhere to be careful of as to how it is that you use your power, how it is that you use your control over others who are not as fortunate as you are. 10th house also, since Saturn had been there for a while, and it is also a planet of karma. So be very careful of how it is that you deal with others, and be careful especially not to misuse your power and your authority, Capricornians. It is very important for you because things, it seems, by end of the year or so, it could be a sort of an undoing for you, wherein that whether you're responsible for not just misusing your authority, but also being quite rigid. Be very careful of how it is that you're behaving with be very careful of how it is that you're behaving with people at your workspace and in your personal life. Try not to be very controlling or manipulative this month, Capricornian. And this trend carries on for you till about the end of the year. And like I said, since it is a sort of a karmic planet or a house for you, it would indicate that what you sow, so you shall reap. Be careful to strike a balance between your personal and your professional life this month, Capricornians. Try not to let your work get into your personal space. It seems a lot of you have been working very hard, almost to the point of being a workaholic, since the last year and a half to 2 years now. And this could have affected your personal life to a great extent. This month especially, it is all going to come under a sort of a scanner for you, wherein you will be forced to take an action and literally sort of disassociate or mentally disconnect with your work. And it is something which the planets are indicating is it's very important for you, because while it is great that your work requires an X amount of your mental space, to be completely engulfed by it is not so healthy for you. Mid month, there is a conjunct between Pluto and Uranus, and it could entail a sort of an emotional outburst from your side, and which is a bit strange for Capricornians, because you are normally very calm and stable and practical, and it takes quite a bit to push your buttons. However, mid month, there could be a work scenario. It could have to do with a decision that has got taken in, and you're not too happy about it, and you did not have much of a choice. And it could entail you lashing out at a colleague at work. So be very careful, and the universe is cautioning you to look at the broader picture over here, Capricornians. Don't get into a blaming game over here. It is also a time wherein that if you have not learnt in the lessons what Saturn has taught you for about a year and a half to 2 years in your house of reputation, it could be a sort of an undoing or a fall from grace for you, Capricornians. Be very careful, hence, as to that you're dealing with people with a lot of respect at all points of time. Try not to be petty, and try not to just to prove a point, don't try to get on the wrong side of people. And especially, like I said, if you're in a position of authority and power, this specifically applies for you. Pay attention to your health this month, Capricornians. Ensure that you're getting in lots of long walks. This month, try and take care of your diet, Capricornians. Ensure that you are on a natural, high protein or an organic diet. try and stay away from processed and canned food or even junk food. A regular health regime will benefit you greatly, Capricornians. So try and stick to a particular healthy diet starting this month. And I think a lot of you have started putting some amount of focus onto your bodies since about 2 months now, and carrying on this month you will be focusing more, and it will do you good. I think mentally you're going to be feeling more lighter, more fitter, but just be a bit more cautious of what it is that goes inside your bodies. The tarot card for you this month, Capricornians, is a Chariot, and Chariot indicates that victory is finally at sight. And this has not happened overnight. You know that you have worked long and hard for it. Be it victory over your career issues, or be it a victory with your own self if you've been trying to fight certain ideas and conditioning of the mind that you have had for a long time, and you have been aware that they have to be cast off. The Chariot, literally translated into a person, means somebody coming into your life, and he or she is a firm believer of trying till you drop dead. And this person will really inspire you. You will be motivated to take your plans forward, which may have been stalled for quite some time now. The Chariot at times also speaks of a real physical mood. It speaks of people, of friends coming from far flung places to come and be with you for a while. So, overall, a good month, Capricornians. Stay calm, be fair, and try not to misuse your authority. Take care. I'll see you again in August, and thank you so much for watching.